there, kindergartners. It's us, the Oxbow farmers. I'm Farmer Hallie.
I'm Farmer Shannon. I'm Farmer Becca.
I'm Farmer Shay.
We are so excited for your visit to the farm this spring. Remember those rivers that connect our watersheds? You'll be crossing the Skykomish River as you leave Monroe and following the squiggly Snoqualmie all the way down to the farm. So make sure you look out the windows on your bus ride. You might get to see the river, and I bet you'll spy some other nifty nature out there.
For your field trip, we'll be learning all about the animals that live in the rivers and stream habitats, how they are connected, and how they need our help to keep the water clean so they can stay healthy. Some of our favorite river creatures are macroinvertebrates. That's a fancy word for water bugs. Let's sound it out together and clap out the syllables. Macroinvertebrates. These animals have no backbone. That's a big word that we're going to learn more about when you come to the farm. In order to stay safe and have fun on your field trip, we need you to follow some important farm secrets. Stay with your group and be aware of dangers around the farm, such as
Walking in the road. Getting too close to tractors and trucks. And playing with farm tools that aren't for us. We still have these very fancy restrooms for you. Don't forget to clean your hands after you go.
we still have your boots and coats, which we'll change into when you first arrive. We hope you're ready for your trip to the farm. We can't wait to make discoveries and explore nature with you.
We'll see you soon!